AVGO stock analysis and price predictions for 14th of July, Monday. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in the space with 43,000 videos over 5 years, I have seen what's printing and what is not. So especially with NGO dynamics, is that this is a decent pull down. Notice how beforehand it sort of popped, you know, like I was correct on this gap up and everything, but it's kind of all over the place and I want to have clarity. So how's all this going to look like? Well, we're just going to simply mark up the top here. Have my demand zone and key part, if I'm looking to buy, is going to be a double break. Already sort of saw the first one. If there is not a second break above $9.84, there's just no one buying, you know what I mean? Like, yes, lower time frame, like you can go tweak like around it, but if I do not see this shift in a double break, then there's just no one buying. I just must see the price already breaking and giving me the rules. But if you want to get to those 10K months, click the first link in the description and get my free money making emails and insights.